I would like to now invite Mr. Pankaj Kumar Satija, sir. He is Chief Regulatory Affairs Tata Steel Limited and has 25 years of experience in mining areas of India inhabited by indigenous people. He has worked extensively on tribal sports, cuisines, music, dance, and traditional festivals in Odisha and Jharkhand. Over to you, sir, and we'll request you to please share your impressions about the book.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Very happy to see Mr. Padella, Mr. Subramaniam, Mr. Saxena, and co-editor Ms. Livlin, and many other students from the area where I have worked earlier. Uh, there is a common thing across the geography in the world that we treat Earth as a Mother Earth. And in our ancient scriptures, it has been written that Mata Bhumi Putroham Prithviya. And the similar philosophy goes across different culture and religions, that when we talk about earth, we attribute Mother Earth, the word mother to the earth. And we also know that we are so sensitive towards our relationship with earth that it has been written that Samudra Vasne Devi Parvatastan Mandite Vishnu Patni Namastubhyam Padam Sparsam Shamyoma. It means I am touching Mother Earth through my feet, so please pardon me for that. So that much of sensitivity has been in our scriptures. And when I look at the stories what have been written by the students, that gives me immense pleasure that they are also very sensitive towards what is happening in and around, and that will help them to become a better citizen for the world, because the future of the earth depends upon the children and then how they want to take it in coming days. There are 4 guest articles from Sri Paramanand Patel, Srimati Velmati Champia, Mr. Jiren Topno, and Dr. Ashok Sen. They are very good, and there are many things which anyone who is reading that book can learn from it. Some of the entries we have included in the book, and some we couldn't, but it doesn't mean that they were not good. As Ms. Livlin has spoken earlier, that we will be trying to publish them also at an opportune time. And as has been written in the book, we have not done much editing on the stories written by the book, because we wanted to retain the thought, retain the sensitivity of the students who have written these stories. We all know the importance of the day, and those who have been in Odisha and Jharkhand, where our operating base are there, uh, the indigenous people over there, they know much more about the nature, the environment, the biodiversity, and we should learn by interacting more and more with them. Nikita just mentioned about Sarhul, and Sarhul we all know is a Prakriti Parv, and there are many other dimensions attached to it. There are instances where the cultivated land was not there and people were depending upon the forest produce. And when we had a Prajatiya Khadotsav sometimes back in Sukinda and Noamundi, we have seen that the forest produce were used in those stalls and people relished those delicacies. So the cultivation has its own pressure on agriculture and the land, and how we want to preserve forests so that the ecosystem facilities and the advantage we will continue to get. That is the motto, and with this book, I'm very much sure that the reader who are going to read this book, they will get further insights what is happening in the young minds and what the expert articles say about it. So without taking much time, I thank all those who have been involved in conceptualizing, contributing and writing these books, and our guest speakers, those who have come today. Wish you all a very good, happy Earth Day. Thank you very much.